This 2019 Grand Design Momentum 395M is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 42 feet 4 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, external shower, LP detector, oven, air conditioning, awning, stovetop burner, slide-out, leveling jacks, water heater, and 157 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Grand Design Momentum 395M is 17,205 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.